Hi guys! Good morning! So I just finished my breakfast. Come with me. I'ma do my nails today. It's a very tiring week, a long week. My job is killing me. So I need to pamper. I need a pamper day for myself. You know, we work so hard. That's the only thing that we can do. Hi. I'm tired being adult. I'm tired paying bills. I wish I'm a baby, that I'm not paying any bills. It's traffic. How are you guys? Me, I'm okay. I'm blessed, grateful, still alive. You know, keep working, keep hustling, buy all the food that I want. That's all I want. Food is my happiness. If somebody take the food out of for me, my English is still not good. Still not that good, my English. I wanna be like more fluent in English, like more understand all the intelligent words that my bosses ask me, tell me, like, yo, talk to me like basic English only. You guys talking to me like I'm the intelligent person in the world. You need to relax, guys. So I'm excited for my plans. I have a lot of plans, girls. You know, I have a lot of plans. So I hope everything will work out. But God is with me. I'm patient. You know, I'm just like waiting. So I'm close to my nail salon. So I like the girl that doing my nails. Like with she massaged me like a long time. You know, like scrub me very good, very nice. Ay, ay, ay. That's why I always request that girl. She's Vietnamese though. Very good. Like before I have one favorite in other place, but this one I try her, the best. Very good. Guys, you think I'm gonna cut my hair? My bangs, do you think? Because sometimes I wanna cut my hair like before, like short. Because sometimes I got bored with my hair, but my sister told me, no. You know, because yeah, I have a long hair, nice hair, super black, shiny. But sometimes when I'm sleeping, I you know, it's annoying because I can move because I just like laying on my hair. It's like it's annoying to me and it's pain in my thing. I don't like this. So I said like, fuck, I wanna cut my hair short again. Maybe I don't know. Maybe next year if I got bored, I'm gonna cut my hair. Like if I feel like I wanna look young again, yeah. But right now I look like a woman. I believe. But if ever like I'm gonna feel like I wanna look like cutesy little girl, so I'm gonna cut my hair. Even though people here thought that I'm only like 22 years old, they didn't even know I'm 32 years old, like old lady. You know, my back hurts working, legs, I can even stand for a long time now. I can even like walk for a long time too, like no. I don't know, I really need to go to the gym because my endurance, my strength is going down. So I really need to go to the gym, you know, because I feel I'm always weak. I'm excited to do my nails. I hope the girl that doing my nails, she's available. If not, oh my gosh, I don't know. It's annoying. But yeah, I just park and let's go. Ay, this truck is too close. Okay. Alright, let's go. So, I use my Prada bag. I really, really love this bag. It's so nice, it's so cute, it's so lightweight. You know, I can use this as a crossbody bag, a shoulder bag, you know. Let's go.